Hello designers. Today I bring you a social media template pack which is best for the Instagram and Facebook. As you may see that it is already created the template set and you just need to upload your content, replace your content with these pre-made templates and you can level up your social media game. To download this template for free, you need to go to this website Jogaarr, and under the menu of templates you are going to find this template, and when you scroll down a bit you can download this template for free from this download button. Originally it is cost you nearly $20. As you can see that 402 designers are actually downloading this social media template pack. And if you are a frequent user of the Instagram and Facebook and you want to level up your game, then you need to download this real AI application to massive grow your organic traffic. Enjoy.